Hi, welcome to Collab Docs. And before delve into the demo, I want to quickly introduce my context. And I'm a Vim user, and most of my day I use Vim to code. And basically, I use my keyboard to navigate everywhere in my code editor. And but I find myself using Google Doc quite a lot. And for I use Google Doc for my homework writings in college or for research. And I find using the mouse to navigate between um, the document just to type, to change the font, to do um, like to bold the line and to center the line using my mouse all the time. And for example, if I want to change a a word that at somewhere far away from my cursor, it is really annoying that I have to use my mouse or use the arrow key on the keyboard. So that's why I made Collab Docs that basically for Vim user who enjoying use Vim and they have to use Google Docs. I will show the core project later, but just wanna quickly introduce what we have for Collab Docs. It's basically just Google Docs. But yeah, this is two different user as you can see that they are in the same um, organizations. So if I create a document, go here, this document also here. So pretty sure that if I type hi, it is free. You can see that the cursor is async is synchronously changed in between the user interface, right? So yeah, it's worked pretty fine. I can change the color, everything here, and let's say I want to change the color or something like that. But okay, so let's go to the interesting part. So if I let's see if no, I don't want to. Firefox is better for me, right? So let me introduce you Vim in my Collab Docs. So let's when I press this buttons, this means that I enable Vim, and there's a insert tag. So in Vim, insert is the mode is a mode that you can typing. If I do Control C or ESC, I will go to normal mode with accepting keybinds. I can do HL. Let's see. I can do JK to go up and down, right? I can do L and K to like go navigate just like arrow key. And so there are a lot of keybinds. I can do like let's type hi, my name is Hui. I use Fedora. By the way, that so normally people they will use their if they want to change. Let's say I want to change this. Some people enjoying go here, delete this, and type whatever they want to, or um, they can do highlight the word and type what they want, right? But in Vim modes, this is what we will do. So we will do capital A CIW. Look how quick is that. I can then type whatever I want. So basically for now, I do support some basic navigation in between when using Vim. We can do like B to go back, W to go up, or E to go to the end of the word. Shift I, capital I, will go to the beginning of the lines. Capital A will go to the end of the lines, and V, if I do V, we will go to visual modes that I can do H or L to start highlighting the word that I want, right? And the Shift V to highlight the whole lines. So mostly people, they can use the mouse to the Control C, right? So let's see, they can use the mouse to do Control C, Enter, Control V, like that. But in Vim, so what we'll be doing is that we do Shift V, Y, O, Control C, and P. Look how quick is that, right? So if now I want to jump to Fedora, I do F, capital F, Shift IW, and Arch, like that. So now I will introducing the most interesting part of my project, which is the command lines. So yes, we do accept command lines. So look, look at this. If I now let me just delete this first, right? So normally, if people create a heading, they can do this is a heading. They use the little mouse to highlight the whole lines. They increase the fonts. They do bolds, and they press this and go to the center, just like that. So for Vim, we don't do that. It's so unprofessional. So we enable the Vim modes. This is what I will be doing. This is a heading, for example, Control C, Shift V, command line bolts, command lines, font size of 30, and command line center. Center. Look how quick is that. So I can do left. We just go back to left, and maybe remove that, right? So there are lots of interesting thing, like we can do a command like hi, I just joined the room. I can do Shift V and commands. I can do add mention the other user, and I can do like greetings, right? So if I go here, so just refresh the page. It's pretty not working. All right, so I can see that this user mentioned me. It's like that. So I think it's working. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? So we do have a lot of command lines that here I did a lot of command lines. So let's see if this is Arial fonts. Let's increase the fonts by doing FS of 30. So if I want to change the font, I can do like a semicolon, and I can do fonts dash FNT, enter. So look at that. It's changed the font to Times New Romans, right? Or I can do like yeah, it's not a Times New Roman. This is Times New Romans, yeah. And so I can like, what else? Let's see if, for example, we have a whole paragraph or writings that we normally type a lot in our documents, and let's see if I want to find a word in my document. Let's say if I remember something called content, so I can do like a semicolon and a slash, and I can type content. So look, you can see a yellow mark here. I can press N to jump directly to that letter, and yeah, I can change whatever I want, right? So yeah, so we can also quit if you don't know how to quit Vim. We do semicolon and Q. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, any thought, please comment down below. Thank you.